Welcome back to the channel. If scrubbing your bathroom and shower feels like a chore, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're breaking down the best electric cordless spin scrubbers for bathroom and shower. Top 5 tested for 2026. We've put these scrubbers through real-world testing to evaluate cleaning power, battery life, ease of use, and overall value so you can find the perfect tool to make bathroom cleaning faster and easier. Let's get started. Up next is the Leibine Electric Spin Scrubber 2026 Upgraded. Is a cordless cleaning tool designed to make scrubbing bathrooms, tubs, tiles, and floors faster and easier. It uses a powerful motor with multiple spin speeds, around 350 to 450 revolutions per minute, to remove soap scum, grime, and stains without heavy manual scrubbing. The scrubber comes with several interchangeable brush heads, allowing it to clean different surfaces such as bathtubs, grout, sinks, and even kitchen tiles. Its extendable stainless steel handle, about 12 to 54 inches, helps reach high walls or floors without bending or kneeling, reducing strain on the back. The device is IPX7 waterproof, meaning it can be safely used in wet environments like bathrooms and can be rinsed after cleaning. A rechargeable battery provides around 60 to 90 minutes of runtime, making it suitable for cleaning multiple rooms on one charge. In real-life use, it significantly reduces the effort needed for tough cleaning tasks and works well for regular household maintenance. Compared with manual brushes, it saves time and physical effort, though it may not fully replace detailed hand scrubbing in tight corners. Overall, it's a practical tool for people who want faster and less tiring home cleaning. Pros: cordless and easy to use, extendable handle for hard-to-reach areas, multiple brush heads for different surfaces. Cons: battery must be recharged regularly. Corners may still require manual cleaning. Attachments need occasional replacement. Up next is the Lebigo Electric Spin Scrubber LA4 Pro. Is a cordless cleaning tool designed to make bathroom and floor scrubbing easier and less tiring. It features a dual-speed motor that delivers strong spinning power to remove soap scum, stains, and dirt from tiles, bathtubs, grout, and floors. The scrubber includes 6 interchangeable brush heads that allow it to clean different surfaces such as corners, sinks, walls, and large floor areas. Its adjustable and detachable telescopic handle helps users reach high walls or low floors without bending, reducing strain during cleaning. The built-in LED display shows battery status, while the rechargeable battery provides enough runtime for extended cleaning sessions. The device is also waterproof, making it safe to use in wet environments like bathrooms and kitchens. In real-life use, it significantly reduces the effort needed compared with manual scrubbing and works well for regular household cleaning tasks. Compared with traditional brushes, it saves time and energy while covering larger areas more efficiently. Overall, it's a practical cleaning tool for homeowners who want quicker and easier maintenance of bathrooms and floors. Pros: strong dual-speed cleaning performance, adjustable handle for hard-to-reach areas, multiple brush heads for versatile cleaning. Cons: requires battery recharging. Corners may still need manual scrubbing. Replacement brush heads may be needed over time. Up next is the 2U Electric Spin Scrubber. Is a cordless cleaning tool designed to make bathroom, kitchen, and floor scrubbing faster and less physically demanding. It features a powerful motor that spins up to about 450 revolutions per minute, helping remove soap scum, grime, and stains from tiles, bathtubs, grout, and sinks with minimal effort. The device includes multiple replaceable brush heads, so users can clean different surfaces, such as corners, flat floors, and tight grout lines. Its adjustable extension handle, about 26 to 45 inches, allows you to reach high shower walls or clean floors without bending or kneeling, which reduces strain on the back and knees. The scrubber is IPX7 waterproof, meaning it can safely be used in wet areas like bathrooms and rinsed underwater after cleaning. A built-in LCD display shows battery status and speed settings, while the rechargeable battery supports cordless operation for convenient whole-house cleaning. In real-life use, it significantly reduces manual scrubbing effort and works well for routine household cleaning tasks. Compared with traditional brushes or sponges, it saves time and covers larger areas more efficiently. Overall, it's a practical tool for homeowners who want easier and faster bathroom and tile cleaning. Pros: powerful spinning motor for tough grime, adjustable long handle for hard-to-reach areas, waterproof design, safe for wet environments. Cons: battery requires regular charging. Corners may still need manual cleaning. Brush heads may need replacement over time. Up next is the Cleninja Electric Spin Scrubber with adjustable handle and 7 replaceable heads. Is a cordless cleaning tool designed to make scrubbing bathrooms, kitchens, and other surfaces faster and easier. It features a dual-speed motor, around 300 to 400 revolutions per minute, that helps remove soap scum, grime, and stains from bathtubs, tiles, grout, floors, and even car surfaces with less manual effort. The scrubber includes 7 interchangeable brush heads, allowing users to switch between flat, corner, and dome brushes for different cleaning tasks. Its adjustable extension handle, up to about 50 to 55 inches, helps reach high shower walls or clean floors without bending or kneeling, reducing strain on the back and knees. The device is IPX7 waterproof, making it safe for use in wet areas like bathrooms and easy to rinse after cleaning. A built-in LED power display and rechargeable battery provide around 90 to 120 minutes of runtime, making it suitable for longer cleaning sessions. In real-life use, it saves time compared with manual scrubbing and helps tackle tough dirt with less physical effort. Overall, it's a practical cleaning tool for households looking to simplify regular bathroom and floor cleaning. Pros: cordless and easy to maneuver, multiple brush heads for versatile cleaning, adjustable handle for hard-to-reach areas. Cons: battery needs regular charging. Very tight corners may still need manual scrubbing. Brush heads may wear out with frequent use. Now moving. The last one is Puffdom. The Electric Spin Scrubber cordless cleaning brush with battery-level display is a practical cleaning tool designed to make scrubbing bathrooms, sinks, windows, and tiles easier with less physical effort. It features a dual-speed motor, around 350 to 400 revolutions per minute, that helps remove soap scum, dirt, and grime more efficiently than manual brushes. The device includes 6 replaceable brush heads, allowing it to clean different surfaces such as bathtubs, grout lines, floors, and even car wheels. A digital battery display lets users monitor remaining power so cleaning sessions aren't interrupted. The cordless design and lightweight build make it easy to move around bathrooms or kitchens without dealing with cables. It also offers IPX7 waterproof protection, meaning it can safely be used in wet environments and rinsed after use. The rechargeable battery can run for up to about 180 minutes after fast charging, making it suitable for multiple cleaning tasks on one charge.